And who are you?
I'm Ryan.
All right, Ryan, what are we about to take a look at here?
A watering system for a vegetable garden.
So you are out of school now because of the coronavirus, and you came up with this project, and I think you should show it to us right now. All right, what are we looking at here?
It's a stand-up water bed so you don't have to kneel down on the ground.
So it's a raised bed garden, and there's no bending over to do the weeding or anything like that. And what did you add to this?
We wanted to figure out an easier way to water the garden from just walking around, so I built a watering system that's all it is just by the turn of a knob.
Okay, I see the hose. I see the on and off there. What made you do it this way?
It's more efficient and makes it easier to water the plants and waters them all equally.
So let's take a look. What did you do up here? I see you have PVC pipe that is clear around the bed there.
We laid this around here and drilled holes every 6 inches, kind of tilted down so it hits the dirt. And here's a demonstration of it. You can put it at different settings, so it's lower and higher, and it hits all part of the dirt equally.
Well, it doesn't take long to water your plants that way, does it?
No.
So I see water dripping out the bottom. Why is that?
It's so it drains and it doesn't flood out the plants.
So the water stays aerated and fully drained, so the plants can take the water and the nutrients and not become water soaked or waterlogged. Well, I think this is a great idea. Are you going to get extra credit for this at school?
No, probably not.
How long did it take you to do it?
A weekend. Just planning stuff out.
Well, great job. And I think you might have other people kind of copy you here on the raised bed, fully irrigatable vegetable garden.